Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Emily. I am a makeup and skincare lover. You could say I'm pretty obsessed. I try to share that obsession and passion on my channel, so welcome. Whether you're an old subscriber, whether you're new here, I love you. Thank you so much for watching. Today, what I'm going to be doing is creating this makeup look right here. It was very inspired by Selena Gomez. She had on this really beautiful makeup at one of the awards shows recently, and I just had to recreate it because it looked so beautiful and glittery and just so yummy. Plus, it's really great on hooded eyelids. So this is my interpretation of the makeup look. I did it with a tiny bit of a twist. Today, I did the 5 fingers makeup challenge, so this entire eye makeup look was applied using no makeup brushes whatsoever, just my 5 fingers, which is why you can see a bit of eyeshadow left over. And honestly, I don't think I did that bad a job. I mean, I'm pretty proud. I'm usually very reliant on makeup brushes, so the fact that I managed to create this eye makeup look right here without any makeup brushes, mind blown. So if you would like to find out how I got this look right here, then please keep on watching. To start off with, I've already gone in with my foundation. I used the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. I am using the color number 2. So let's move on to the fun part now, shall we? I'm going to do the eyes, and I'm going to be doing the 5 finger challenge, so no brushes involved. I'm going to use these 2 palettes from Milani. I saw this gorgeous look on Selena Gomez for, I think it was the People's Choice or the AMAs. She had this beautiful kind of jadey, emeraldy eye on, and I thought it was absolutely gorgeous and the perfect look to do for this challenge. So I'm gonna go in with these 2 palettes from Milani. These are their brand new Gilded Palettes, and they have such intense, beautiful pigmentation. So I'm gonna go in with the Gilded Jade palette, which is this gorgeous green color right here. And I'm also gonna mix that in with the Gilded Noir palette, which is this black one right here with some gorgeous colors. What I've done so far is I've gone in with a little bit of foundation on a blending sponge, and I've put it on the lid, so I've got a tiny bit of a tacky base going on. And the first thing I'm going to do is grab the color Grounded from the Gilded Jade palette. I'm going to be taking that all the way across the crease with my middle finger. I did do a different, really colorful look right before this one with the Gilded Noir palette. If you want to see that, it's on my Instagram. I'll link it down below. I don't know if I did a good job with that one or not, but I'm feeling more excited for this one. Maybe because I'm copying a look, and I'm really excited about the look because it looks so gorgeous on Selena Gomez. Now I'm going to go in with a bit of a green base. I'm going to go in with the color Jaded in the palette. I'm going to apply that with my ring finger onto the outer and inner mobile lid. I'm not going to go all the way into the inner corners because in there I'm probably going to put a lighter color. And I'm also joining up the green in the upper crease. And if I'm smiling while I'm doing this, it's because I'm telling you what I'm going to be doing, but I'm honestly not sure if I'm going to be able to pull it off. So if I don't, just bear with me. This is really giving me JLo Versace vibes right now. By the way, guys, if you're gonna try this at home, laying down that crease color actually helped a lot because that made the crease a little bit less tacky. So when you're moving in to blend the outer edges, at least it's got a little bit of slip, a little bit of blend. So yeah, crease color, very important. Ooh, okay, it turned out really good. I am so happy right now. I'm gonna move on to the little halo that I have in the center of the eye. For that, I am gonna first go in with the color Gilded on the Jade palette as well. Oh my gosh, guys, look at how gorgeous this color is. And I'm just gonna concentrate most of it at the very center, and once I've got nothing left on my finger, I'm gonna just tap at the edges to blend. And what's so great about this look is also that you don't have to be too precise with it. This is meant to be a messy, smoky eye. If you feel like you've gone too far out with the yellow, you can actually go back in with the finger that you applied the green with and just kind of close in on it a tiny bit. Looking a little bit like a Brazilian football fan, but that's fine. I'm gonna start with the glitter this time, and first things first, I'm gonna go in with Lagoon from the Gilded Jade palette, which is this beautiful, beautiful shimmer right here. Oh, look at that shimmer, guys. So gorgeous. So I'm concentrating the majority of the shimmer right down into the mobile lid, but you can see on Selena Gomez's eye that the shimmer goes all the way right up above the eye when her eyes are open. So with whatever's left over on my finger, I'm just gonna continue tapping into the crease, and that's just gonna leave a tiny bit of shimmer above the crease as well. I'm still leaving that center of the lid empty because I want to put a gold shimmer in there. Okay, moving on to the Gilded Noir palette. I am probably going to try and go in with Don't Ask. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the green again and go underneath my eye. So I'm basically repeating the exact same process. I'm gonna go in with the matte color Jaded, and then I'm going over that with the shimmer. It's a little bit awkward on this side of the eye, but okay, I think we're managing. Alright, so for now, I think the base of the eye is done. I'm gonna move on to my liner and my lashes, and the lashes are on. If only they were actually that easy to apply in real life. Anyway, moving on, I'm going to be doing under eyes now. Going in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer. Mine is the color 120, light medium. I'm also going to softly try and shape the outer corner of the eyeshadow with this concealer. Alrighty, we are all done. I am not going to powder the skin because I want it to look nice and glowy. So I'm just going to jump right into blush. As you guys probably already know, Milani is really well known for their blushes, and I am so excited to be finally trying out one of their baked blushes. This is in the color Luminoso. I love the way this color looks against the green. Oh my gosh. I also have a Milani highlighter with me. This one is in the color number 1, Afterglow. I am also going to use this highlighter right in the inner corners of the eyes. So going back in with my last finger and just slowly placing it right in that tear duct. And for the finishing touch, I'm going to go in with a Milani lipstick. This is the Bold Color Statement Matte Lipstick in the color I'm Awesome. And we are all done, guys. This is the final finished Selena Gomez inspired makeup look that I did with the 5 Fingers Makeup Challenge. I used the Milani Gilded Palettes, which are so gorgeous, by the way. If you guys haven't checked it out, I mean, the quality for the price is just insane. They are gorgeous and pigmented and easy to blend, and I just love all the colors and all the palettes. I really hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, please do click that subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notified of my new videos. I really hope I see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!